Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Aquarius. Aquarius people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Aquarius, in this reading, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Wow. Uh-oh. So Aquarius, this is your current energy, Two of Cups. It seems like you are facing a meeting, or it's something like a reunion for you with somebody, or I'm seeing a collaboration, a meeting, an association, or an engagement. Okay, so since this is a cup card, so it seems like you are experiencing an engagement, and you feel that, or engagement as in you are involved with somebody who you feel that they are the one for you. Okay, so you have started dating with this person, you have started taking action towards this person, you have started feeling the emotions from this person. So there is a meeting for you, Aquarius. All right, on the other hand, we have the Sun card in reverse. It seems like your person is also experiencing the same thing, but somewhere somehow they are not sure about it, they are why they are feeling it. Okay, they know that, I mean, they feel certain emotion towards you, but still they are not sure. On the other hand, you are completely sure that this is the person for me. So they take their own time to come forward and express their emotions, so there is nothing need to worry at all. Now let's see what is the mutual energy between you and them. What is the mutual energy between you and them? Clinging to past. Yes, because your person is thinking about their past relationship experiences, and it seems like they do not want to experience the same bad emotions and energies over and over again, and they do not want to cross the same path which they had already done in past. So this is the reason they are clinging in past right now. They are thinking about their bitter experiences which they had got from their past relationships, and this is the thing which is not asking, or which is stopping them to accept this fact that both of you are meant to be together. I mean, so far you guys feel, I mean, you have felt the same thing, and they also have the feeling of this thing, but they are not sure. Okay, because they are clinging in the past. So this is the reason which is asked, this is the reason why they are not exploring, or why they are not telling you all the secrets and all that. Now we are going to see what your person thinks about you, what actions they are taking towards you, and what actions they'll take towards you in future. So Aquarius, your person sees you as somebody, you are, I mean, for the rest of the world, you project yourself that I am the very happy-go-lucky person, I'm very jolly person, I'm somebody who always, see the best part in every worst situation also. Okay, so I'm somebody who always who never complains, and have always enjoy the things. Okay, so you are somebody who, I mean, that's how your person sees you, that you are someone who always enjoy the shortest moments, or the happiest moments of life. Okay, you are someone who is very much praised and appreciated by your own loved ones, your friends and family. Okay, the current action which they are taking towards you, Aquarius, is friendliness, since they know that you are for them, but you are not sure about your feelings. So it seems like your person is not in a hurry to make you realize that, hey, I'm the one for you, hey, I'm the one for you. Rather, they are taking a very slow steps towards you. The friendliness tells me that your person must be talking to you on a very friendly manner. Okay, what are you up to, what you have done, what are your concerns, how you want your person to treat you, and this and that and blah blah blah. So they must be talking to you nowadays a lot, because they just want to know what is happening inside you. Okay, the exhaustion part is that it seems like you are going to be in this clinging in the past energies in future as well, and after putting a lot of their efforts and emotions on you, they would feel exhausted at the end of the day. Okay, no matter how optimistic they feel, no matter how much emotions they are pouring on you, but somewhere somehow they would give up, that why this person is not understanding what I'm saying, why this person is behaving so I mean, why this person is not able to recognize, why this person is not able to understand that I'm putting a lot of efforts to keep this relationship happy or to keep you happy. Then why can't he see my, or why can't she see my efforts? So I'm seeing that future is going to be very, very exhausting for them. All right. So Aquarius, it seems like some of you could be dealing with water sign Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. All right. So Aquarius people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And please do not forget to hit the bell notification button. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.